So I decided to buy this little gadget, which you put this inside of there. It's like a casing for it. Comes with two different plugs, a type C to type C and a type C to USB. Now, it didn't say that I need to put on like gloves or anything, but I don't know. I'm gonna do it just in case. You know, I'd be scared to press down on things. It said do it at a 45-degree angle and push it in. Okay, I did it. It's in there. Two terabytes, I labeled it. They already used some of my terabytes. Look at that. You can never have your full terabytes. Use free. It's installed.